Want to know how to share Instagram profile link on Facebook and increase your followers? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to share Instagram profile link on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile by tapping on the icon at the bottom right. Tap on Share Profile right beside the Edit Profile icon. This is the barcode that, on scanning, will lead the people to your Instagram profile. There are several steps to share the link or barcode on Facebook. You can either download the barcode by tapping on the download icon and tap on Save Image. Or you can simply tap on Copy Link. Now go to Facebook. Tap on What's on Your Mind. Here, you can post the downloaded barcode picture by tapping on Photo or Video and select the downloaded picture. Or, tap and hold on the text box, then paste the link that you just copied. Then tap on Post. Now, people can scan the barcode or tap on the link that you posted, then it'll easily lead them to your Instagram profile. And that is how to share Instagram profile link on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.